create all sorts of new and exciting dinosaur species, like our baby dinos. We'd love to show them to you if they weren't missing. Well, that just happened. Nothing to worry about, nothing to worry. These things happen all the time. And there is Riley. Riley. Riley, everybody.
Riley. Here every time, sir.
Yes, everyone, this is Riley. Riley, say hello.
Hello.
And tell me that you have some good news about these dinos, huh?
I have news. I wouldn't necessarily call it good, but I wouldn't call it bad. I would say it's neutral, if anything.
Hey, Riley?
Yeah?
You want me to tell you what I saw back there?
What did you
Do
see?
you want to say it?
Look, I don't.
No, I'll just say it. Riley let loose all of the baby dinosaurs. They
What?
were running around like crazy. He
What?
was also teaching them how to detonate dynamite.
What?
No,
And he lost the Moab.
What?
No.
What?
No.
You lost the Moab.
No, I did
You
not
lost
lose
the
the
Moab.
Moab.
All right.
I think it was stolen.
So,
Well, apparently the the baby dinos have learned how to detonate the dynamite.
yep. See, Dr. Wynn, this is why I tell you not to hire people from Craigslist. It's not a good idea.
No, not now, Terry. I need to find a way out of this.
All right, don't worry. I'm on it, Dr. Quinn. I will save the day.
I have a great idea. We'll use you guys. We are going to ask you a big favor. We're going to make all of you temporary Stone Mountain Park employees. So as employees, whenever you see any baby dino moving around out here, poking its head up, whatever, I'll need you to point and yell, "Look!" So let's practice that. I'll pretend to be a dinosaur. I'll turn around and you point and yell, "Look." Here we go. Perfect. That's going to come in really handy when we actually...
Dr. Quinn!
Something that...
Found a baby Parasaurolophus.
We didn't pull the Moab yet. But,
Something.
starting point.
Wait, what is that sound? What's that sound?
Whoa.
No, not a train! The barrel! Loading the barrel!
No, not the barrel,
Uh-oh.
My fish!
Your what?
You killed him! Give me... Oh, look at him.
Either 3 chest concussions and mouth-to-mouth regurgitation should do the trick.
What?
Yes,
It doesn't make any sense. Are you sure you're a doctor?
I am a doctor.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, put your mouth down.
I can't do it. You gotta do it. Can somebody save my
Enough of the
fish?
fish. Enough of the fish. This ain't no party.
But this ain't fooling around, huh?
Yes.
Oh, like the song?
Yes.
Well, apparently our mama dino has woken up from her nap. And this is a great opportunity for you to see how all 3 of us as a team come together and tame these vicious beasts, right? Right. This is a great opportunity for me to show you on a one-to-one basis exactly how we cope with these dinos here. The whole thing is fear. You can't show fear. They'll smell fear on you a mile away. So you'll march up very forcefully. No fear. Very determined. And then you... You know what you do? This is what you do. You sing them a song. Yeah, nice, soothing, calming little song to keep them from attacking. Yes, it's something like, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright.
Dad! Just shut the door! Just shut the door! I've got it!
Goodness.
Guys, I found another baby.
Yes, we also found another piece of dynamite.
I'm okay! Hey, Michael! Okay. Ah!
No, not baby.
Sorry, no! I'm also okay.
Oh, Jerry, you okay?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Bumps in the head, don't you?
Well, since everything's falling apart, it might be a good time to end our tour. Thanks so much. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Yeah, what? Look.
Well, look what I found.
What's that?
You don't know what it is?
No.
Does anyone on the train know what it is?
A wishbone.
It's the dinosaur bone. It's the Moab.
You
Correct.
said that wasn't the Moab.
No, I didn't say that wasn't the Moab. I said the email made it look smaller.
Email did make it look small.
Yeah. Yeah, smaller than
I need to fire you
It's
two
okay.
later. Okay, folks, thanks so much for coming. Remember, for the rest of the day, if you see any other baby dinos, I want you to